stand out. Got more babes than a bathhouse. Top gun on my Tom Cruise. Life for keeps and I don't lose. You more than love it 'cause I'm cold as a breeze. So pick a poison.
Okay, so today is baby girl's 16th slumber party. So y'all about to see mom duty. I got a lot of stuff I gotta do in like 45 minutes because I'm running out of time. So y'all can just watch me get this room together, okay? So this is how it's looking now. Y'all kind of see basic room, nothing spectacular, but we about to transform it into her little birthday room. So
she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap beaches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches stale, hoe. Dead glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. People where you been at, Ryan. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck. Got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players. My folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like.
okay, so this is how the room looks now. You come in. She got her balloons going. So we had to improvise because one of the H's popped. So I decided to just put HB Day. She got 16 up there. We got balloons everywhere. They got their goodie bags, pizza, bundt cake, snacks, soda, games. So we ready to have fun. We ready to have fun. I'm tired. I am tired. My husband had to help me with the rest of it because I had to. Let me look. This is the helium tank I had at first. I had to go get a bigger one from Walmart to blow up the rest of these balloons because, yeah. But let me give y'all a look again. And I'm going to try and get her face when she come in here. So we'll see. I definitely feel like I lost some pounds. I done lost a little stomach doing this. She better love it. I know that.
Wait, that's your kids' name? Yeah. I just noticed.
That's why I told you I would do it, but you want to be, I can do it.
You have to go through my whole playlist today.
No, I wasn't doing it. I was just going to play whatever song came up.
It's not going to pop no K-pop.
Okay.